In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify API key, a crucial step if you're looking to develop apps or integrate services with your Shopify store. This process may seem technical at first glance, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring it's straightforward and stress-free. First, let's navigate to your Shopify admin panel, which I'm sure you're familiar with if you've managed your store before. Open your web browser and type in the URL for your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store's admin panel. This is your main control hub where all the store management magic happens. Now, direct your attention towards the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Settings button. Go ahead and click on it. The Settings area is where you have control over many aspects of your store, from general store details to shipping and payments. Within the settings, you'll see an option labeled Apps and Sales Channels. Selecting this brings you to another page dedicated to managing all the applications and sales channels connected to your Shopify store. This section is key for integrating third-party tools and customizing your store's functionality. Once you're in the Apps section, find and click on Develop Apps. Remember, this is where the magic begins for developers or anyone looking to extend their store's capabilities through custom applications. After entering the development environment, you might notice an option that says Additional Access Available. Clicking this will prompt you to view or create API credentials, including your much-needed API key. This part is crucial because the API key allows your app to communicate with Shopify, enabling it to perform actions or retrieve data on your behalf. It's important to handle your API key with care. Treat it like a password. Keep it secure and don't share it with anyone you don't trust. If at any point you suspect it's been compromised, Shopify allows you to regenerate it, ensuring your app's continued security. Why do you need an API key, you may ask? Well, it serves multiple purposes. Whether you're developing your own app, connecting with third-party integrations, or simply enhancing your store's functionality, the API key is what grants permissions and ensures seamless interaction between your app and the Shopify platform. With these steps, you should now have everything you need to generate and protect your Shopify API key, empowering you to take your store to new heights through versatile app development. Remember to explore and familiarize yourself with Shopify's documentation for deeper insights into using the API effectively. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to acquire your Shopify API key. Thanks for joining me today. Happy developing!